All right, just got back the Anker EverCool after my error message, my F1 error message. So they were pretty, I mean, after being pretty persistent about getting a new unit and not getting my money back, because if I get my money back, I'm never going to buy another one. So I sent like 3 separate emails. And after that, they were pretty quick about sending me a label to return it, and they sent me a new one within like a week. So here it is. Plastic still in the thing, and I'll update you. We'll plug it in. Actually, I'll plug it in before I post this and put that on there too. Make sure it's working. All right, here it is, the Anker EverFrost. This is the 40 liter, the middle size model. Now let's turn this thing on. Okay, plugged it in. They gave me a new plug. I wasn't sure if they were gonna do that. I kept my old one, but I'm not gonna use the old one in case there was something wrong with it. This is the weird thing about this unit, in my opinion, is turning it on. It's not straight up, right? You would think on means on. Maybe hold it down. Ah, there it goes. Oh. So, set at 67, that's not good. Fahrenheit, which is good. We want to set this thing to probably 30. Let's set it to 32. Okay. Now, I think you just let it stop blinking and then it should kick on. Once this compressor kicks on, I'll end this video because I'll know it works. And then I'll throw something in there, make sure it gets cold. And I guess I might as well post it. Let's see if it kick on. No. Hear it kick on yet. That's what's annoying, man. Getting this thing on is not as straight up as you would think. Yeah, the compressor's not on. Now, remember this happened to me on the first one too. So, all right, so there you go. It's on 32, it's set for 32. This is the medium, high, or low is for like the protection on the battery. It's plugged in. I mean, it's directly plugged into the outlet, so it shouldn't need battery power. I think I remember this what I did last time, so let's go like this. I think I took it out of the unit, almost like I reset it. Let's try it again. I want the compressor to kick on. It's not that easy. No, it's not on. This is a little annoying. I remember this the first time too. Oh, there it goes. I held down this button and then the compressor kicked on. All right, so I'm gonna put some stuff in there. Still, I tell you what, they gotta come up with a better way to turn this thing on and off. It's really not straightforward. This is my new cart for my Anker EverFrost cooler. 40 liter. That's the middle size. It's my second cooler. The first one had an error message F1 after I took it to the beach. So this thing is working. They shipped it to me. I'll include that part on the video. Everything's working. I actually have not used this cart yet. I bought a regular cart and I didn't check the diameter of the inside portion. So the one that I got prior at Dick's, I forget the name of the brand, actually had the nice soft beach tires that were awesome, but it wasn't wide enough and I couldn't find anything. It was very hard to find something wide enough. I think this one's 21 inches wide. The other one was 19 inches wide and it was like a hair too small. So I think you want 21 inches inside diameter if you're looking for a cart. I can give you the name of this one after I review it, but I'll post it now. This is called a Hillencher. They had different models. So I would just check the interior for inside space 21 inches. So that's it. I'll report back on this cart, but my second Anker EverFrost cooler, which was a replacement since the first one broke, that I got off Kickstarter. They were pretty good about replacing it. The first one just stopped working with an error code F1 after I took it to the beach. I think that sand got in there. But let's see how this cart does. Now I can bring it to the beach and not worry about ruining the cooler. Thanks.